Hey YouTube, this is MegaMania009. Thanks for tuning on my channel on the final episode of the Bench Vise build that I use square tubing. Again, you can find similar builds like this on some other channels, but I built this one a little bit different. Um, First off, in my last video I left off, I didn't cap off the ends that I wanted to, and I finally did. I capped off every single side, and everything's all covered besides the main portion that the threaded rod goes through. And you can see it looks a lot better than what it did. Now that everything's painted. I finally got it welded in here. Word of advice: before you weld this major piece on here, make sure you really lube up your threaded rod, because the heat does expand. And I had a hard time getting this piece to move because I didn't lube anything up. But I used my ratchet and stuff, and it finally budged. And I didn't strip anything; everything was fine. And I lubed it up. Now it moves like a charm. Um, what is it? I have a bolt, two washers, and I have two washers inside, and then a bolt also to pull everything out. Again, this is the piece that I welded in, and it has a 1 inch hole that I used a hole saw to cut it out. And I have the 4 bolts inside welded together. And what was another thing that I did? Oh, I decided to just use my ratchet and leave the bolt here because I kind of like the idea of using a ratchet and stuff. And it's a little bit simple for me, I mean, I have all my adjustable ratchets here, very convenient, and I have my sockets here. So if I need to work on this, I don't have any problem going into my drawer and grabbing what I need to work on. And then I had my plate cut out. I used the bandsaw, and I just pre-drilled all my holes, and I just have it mounted here on some drywall screws because this workbench is like a cabinet workbench type of thing. But you see here how it looks. It looks really nice that it's all painted. I was going to consider powder coating this, but because this color here, but because of the temperature outside, it's really cold. I didn't want to freeze my butt off just to powder coat it. So I hit it up with the Rust-Oleum blue that I had left over from my Bench Vise build, and it looks really nice. I'm really happy with how this came out, and this is going to last me a long time. And it's definitely better to build one than buy one because, I mean, it works just as good, and you'll enjoy it if you build it. So this is it. This is my Bench Vise. I really enjoyed it, and I don't know, maybe you guys can build something similar or better. But this is MegaMania009. Thanks for tuning in.